Hey guys, John here from Formtoro. Today we're going to show you how to set up magic discounts and why they are so cool. So this is the name of our discount. So we're going to call this 100% free first product. And then we have a reward type. So it's percentage fixed amount off. Uh, there's buy X get Y, free shipping, a shipping discount, or product plus shipping. So there's a lot of different options that are not standard in Shopify, so that we can pick something that we want to create. Let's go percentage off. This is the reward. This is what people are going to see at checkout. It's also going to be sent as your unique profile thing. So I'm going to write uh, free uh, product. Sorry, I'm not real creative right now. Okay, we got percentage or fixed amount, percentage off, and then this is the interesting part. We can do every eligible item in the count in the cart, 1 unit of the most expensive item, or 1 unit of the least expensive item. So let's say that we're picking a collection where everything's similarly priced and they're all a low price across the board. We could use one of the least expensive items. I can do this and say 100% off. So it's only going to discount one item in the cart that's the least expensive. Now we have all product specific products collections or specific variants. New specific collections. We can browse our collections. We can figure out which one we want. Same thing for products or variants there as well. Let's pick our. Oh, I don't know what the products are in that. So let me use products actually. Those products. And we're going to do our vintage tea. Cool. Limit one redemption per customer. We definitely want to put that in there. If you don't have that, it could be a grant window. So what this means is this offer can stay available to someone based on their email address for however many days you want. We're gonna limit this one to one redemption per customer. Now we have the option of putting an expiration date in there as well. Oh, it's helpful if you want to invite someone into something or you want something to expire, can combine with other things. Let's have it not anything else. And then we have rules on top of this. So we can do first order only. How we can do minimum subtotals. A lot of different options around that. So the way that we have this one set up is first order only. They get some 100% off the lowest price item in the cart. This could be, and it's a t-shirt. So the collection is a t-shirt. So this could be the same thing as, get a free t-shirt when you sign up, as long as they add one to their cart, etc. They can go make sure that happens. So that's how we create the reward. That's a magic reward. Now, the way these rewards work is that when someone signs up, uh, we're essentially tying a grant to that email address. So there's no code. It's whatever email they put in. As long as they meet the criteria, they will be able to get that reward at checkout. So because there's no code in your welcome series, etc., they just have to go back to the site and use that email to check out, and the code automatically applies based on what's in their card, which is pretty cool. So those are magic discounts. I'm going to take you through a couple other ones actually real quick. So product plus shipping is a new one. You can do this and change this to whatever you want. Shipping, percentage off shipping, amounts off shipping, flat rate shipping are all of our options there, which is kind of nice. Excluded rates. So if you have something, for example, Express, it'll ignore it and not add that. Countries, you can select specific countries here as well, or shipping rates up to a certain amount. So lots and lots of options related to these guys. This is everything you should probably need uh, in making something happen. Now, the interesting part about doing these guys, most expensive item, least expensive item, whatever, is that we have a tendency of saying save 20%, 15% off your order, and that's the entire order. So that can be pretty painful and it makes a lot of people want to sign up again and again and again. Whereas if you do a specific percent off your highest item, say we do 20% off our highest item, and they add two things to the cart, that's only a 10% discount. So you're already preserving margin on that. For CPG brands and other brands like that, you might want to give a larger first discount to people based on a certain collection or something like that. Hey, save 90% off your first sample pack. Oh, cool. I want to go straight to my sample packs and I want to pick one up for 90% off. Awesome. Oh, but I also want to add this flavor that I already know and like, okay, that's at full price. So you're able to use this as a tool for that first time purchase in a way that typical coupon codes just can't really be used. They're always just a percentage off the order, which doesn't make any sense at all. So those are magic discounts and how we've kind of built them out to be really, really strategic so that you can treat your first time purchasers different than everyone else.